Hello everyone, this is Mariusz Holda with Holda Construction Roofing and Siding from Palatine. I want to quickly show you something we're seeing after a last windstorm. Right here is a piece of aluminum fascia that's become detached and is hanging loose. Why is this urgent? Because loose fascia can quickly lead to bigger issues like soffit paneling falling off completely, creating more costly repairs. But sometimes it's even worse. Lost pieces can become flying debris, potentially causing property damage or hurting someone nearby. Don't wait. A small repair now can prevent a big headache later. If you need immediate help, reach out to Holda Construction. We are here to protect our community. Thank you so much.